Hey guys, how we doing? Welcome to Trade Confident. Man, we took another win last night of 104 wins. That was on Mana again. So really quick update, guys. On Mana, if you guys took our last trade, we ended up exiting 50% of that for 25% profit, and the other 50% was actually for a 51.83% profit. It was crazy, guys. So once we exited in the profit for 51.83%, we then came down, opened up that next trade, just simply following the buy limits on our website, and I'll show you guys how to do this today. You guys simply got into the next trade, and now we're up 9.14%, and I did a video this morning showing you guys how we're looking to possibly exit that for a full closure of that trade maybe today. So I want you guys to be aware of that. That was 104. Well, speaking of win rates over here, guys, Matic could be our 105th win, and we also have AVAX over here, which is about to be another win because we're already in the profit 2.31% on AVAX, and look where we've come from. So I don't want to get us too excited here, but to look at too many coins, but I'm going to stay on Matic. And also, guys, on top of that, I have not forgotten, guys, for those of you who are the OGs, I am never going to give up on you guys on this. We are so close to hitting our break even for XRP. We do not have XRP metrics. We took it off the website to be replaced by Mana and Decentraland and AVAX, which we're going to talk about probably tomorrow. But guys, that trade, I'm going to keep you updated as well. Okay, these wins are just coming out like super fast now. So as the market goes up, you guys want to be in these trades with us. So I will be talking about that more. All right, let's go to Matic today. And this is the Mana trade. I just want to show that to you guys real quick. We ended up exiting. All right, let's stay on Matic today because I want to show you guys something because I do think this could be another win here very fast. But I'm seeing some things in this market that's just like, there's like this feeling right now of, are we going to keep going up? Or are we just going to start moving back down here because there's not enough momentum? I want to just like deep dive into this today. Okay, let's take a look at Matic. And then actually, guys, around in a couple hours here, once the metrics update, I'm going to do an Ethereum video for us today to get deep dive into Ethereum. So make sure you guys watch that. All right, Matic, the trend dashboard. We are seeing that Matic here, as far as a retail trader perspective, majority of indicators over here are very bullish. They're green, okay? To me, this shows me that the market is still looking to push up here a little bit higher because there's still momentum. A lot of retail traders are saying the trend is your friend, momentum's their friend. I totally get that. Trade with momentum. And that's what they're doing. But I'm seeing some things over here that are a little concerning, and we have been able to predict these moves very well with these two indicators down here. Let me show you guys something that I'm personally seeing. Price as well, money flow, and trend exhaustion. These three indicators in the description. Give me the second, guys. It's 82% off all of our indicators. Snag them. You guys will not regret it whatsoever. This is how we're exiting all these trades. And literally, we were able to exit at the top up here before we saw it drop down. Well, money flow was high. Trend exhaustion was already moving down, which showed me divergence. And we started moving down right after that. Okay, let's bring this to the forefront on Matic right now. Okay, we're seeing right now that the price got very high up here. Well, the trend exhaustion pushed to the top red section here, and well money flow is actually pushed up here a little bit higher in the top section here. That's where we ended up seeing the drop. Awesome, we got that. Now, the previous time we pushed up in the top red section here and well money flow was high was up here. We could not keep going up. We saw consolidation and even a little bit of a move back down. Okay, the previous time we push up into the top red section here, well money flow is high, is on this spike over here, and we immediately see a drop right down right after that. Okay, it's in those 3 to 4 candles right there where we started moving up. It could not go up any higher. Now we look at this, trend exhaustion high, well money flow high. We see this at the top section over here. Then we see a drop back down in the market. Interesting. The previous time before that, we see the well money flow high, trend exhaustion high, and a move back down. Guys, this is what we're using to call the tops and the bottoms of crypto. Okay, because look at this. Great, we're calling exits, but look at the pumps in here. Look at, if you look down here, trend exhaustion is low, telling us that the market is done going down and we're looking for a move back up. That predicted this entire bull run right here. Okay, previous time down here, we're seeing this. I won't spend too much time on this. I just like showing this to you guys because the accuracy that we're using over here with these indicators, what they're presenting to us is giving us data to exit in the profit. And we've never lost a crypto trade. And the reason why we're able to take exits at those points like we did on Mana, Decentraland, and literally exit at the top before it headed back down here was because of the indicators. And we do this a lot, guys. So let's take a look at this moving into today. What I'm seeing right now is the well money flow is clearly moving out of the market here, guys. If this tries to pump back up here and create a high and another higher high on price action, I believe this is a bull trap. Okay, let me say that again. I believe this is a bull trap to the upside. Money is already flowing out. The trend exhaustion is already moving back down here. And I do think that this pump up here could see a little bit of more of a move up. And then I do feel, guys, it's something that I'm feeling and it's something that I'm seeing here that I feel like the market could be due for another little bit of a move back down here before any type of an explosion back up. Okay, I do think this overall bull market can keep going, but I want to make you guys aware of that. If the market comes down here and the trend exhaustion comes to the bottom red section and well money flow comes down here as well, look for that to be the next springboard back up. You guys are like, how can I make some more money? How can I make thousands of dollars? Guys, watch for the trend exhaustion to come down here, the well money flow to come down. It called the pump last time here. It called the move up over here. It also called the move up right here. Also called the move up right there. You guys can see this on the charts. You guys even looking over here, looking straight down at this, you guys can see this move down here called this as well. So when it gets down there, guys, I have some people honestly scalping these markets, and I'll try to do a video someday. Give me some time on this. I'll do a masterclass on this where when you guys see the trend exhaustion at the bottom here and the well money flow low, you guys can get into the market and maybe look to scalp for 5 to 6 to 7%. I'll show that to you guys later. I have a guy that's literally done like $20,000 doing that on cryptos and stocks, and he's like scalping. I have another guy that's done like honestly tens of thousands of dollars scalping with these indicators. I'll show that to you guys in another video. Point being, get the indicators. I'll come out with a masterclass for it, and you'll have all the indicators on sale before that happens. Okay, the metrics over here. Let me show you guys how to access this real quick and make this fast. All of our metrics, all of the Telegram channels, every single trade that we take, everything is involved with our membership over here. The indicators are sold separately. I'll go in that later. We are upping the price of our membership February 25th. You guys have 16 days left, so make sure you guys secure your spot in here. This is the best deal. You guys are going to get access to the Telegram, Inner Circle, and the masterclass trainings you guys can watch right now are open to all of you guys. Okay, the Inner Circle access is where we're going to get on Zoom all together. You guys will see me, the entire family here. We're going to get on Zoom together, and that's going to be in March. You guys can see that over here. We have the official date now. It's going to be March 10th at 3 to 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. We'll get on here and we'll talk about the markets, okay? Just want to show that to you guys. Let's move down here on the front page and scroll all the way down to, Matic. Let's go down to Matic, Polygon Matic. Take a look at the metrics here. Over here, I'm seeing that the emotional index right now, guys, this is pushed up into the top section up here. And we're actually looking at this. It's 8:11, so all these metrics are updated for today. So this is the literally crisp, raw data we're looking at right now for these charts because it was updated like 11 minutes ago. So we are pushed up into the excited area here, guys. Please understand this, that when we are excited in the market, when we're excited and greedy, this is where we are seeing the price move back down in the past. This is because when retail traders get very excited, this is where wells and institutions are able to place their big short trades and sell their long trades because there's enough people buying in the market. How are you supposed to exit billions of dollars in the market as hedge funds and these big guys, Cathie Woods, Michael Saylor, all these guys? How are they supposed to do that unless there's a bull market for retail traders buying? You cannot. This is why people, when they say there's someone behind this chart and someone's trading against me every time I take a trade, it's because you guys are trading emotionally. Once you stop trading emotionally, which I'll teach you guys how to do this if you follow us, you guys will see your profits increase. I guarantee it. Okay, watch this over here. Looking at the market cap strength for Matic. This is really interesting if you guys watch the Bitcoin video of how we can actually predict market moves in here. But something I'm seeing over here is we are following suit. This is looking actually very healthy over here. So as the market cap is increasing, we're seeing prices increase. What you really want to watch for, guys, really want to watch for here is if the price ever starts going up here even higher and market cap starts moving out during that same time frame, which I showed this to you guys on Bitcoin, and we called like 5 moves in the future on Bitcoin. This is where you guys need to be very cautious because if market cap is moving out of a coin, that means big money's moving their money out, right? Like you need huge institutions to move the market cap. Retail traders aren't going to do this. So if the market cap moves down, and literally if the market cap does something like this and price action keeps heading up here, this is trapping retail traders, and they're retail traders that are trading up there, okay guys? That is showing big money's moving basically they're moving their positions out of the crypto cap and it's moving it down, okay? Definitely watch this. Right now it's looking healthy, but please keep an eye on this. If you ever see divergence, that is going to be a sign you definitely want to be watching for. Watch the Bitcoin video I did the other day. I think I pinned it on the channel when you guys go there on YouTube. Okay, trades in favor today. We are definitely pushed up here into the great short trading, good short trade area. All right, this over here is where I was looking for those short trades. This nice move up, guys, is not going to last forever. Nothing lasts forever on the move up here. So what I'm looking for is if we get back it up into the profit here, if we get anywhere close to this structure high here, I'm going to call an exit for us on this trade. We're probably going to be taking, let me see, give us a prediction here of percentages. I would like us to take around a 9 to 10% gain on this trade, okay? And once we get up there, I do think we'll see it move back down. So watch this. And make sure you guys are signed up into the membership because I'll call this in Telegram, okay? Let's move down here. I'm going to show you guys how to get into a trade here for Matic based off our metrics here. Well, in institutional smart money, we can see over here that an incredible amount of shorts over here have entered into the market. I really do believe there's some people out there that are like, we are not done going down. Let me show you this as well. If you take a trend line and you look at this on the charts here and you pull this down and you pull this line and this line right here, we are hovering around this area. I know for a fact that people came in here because I know this metric here, and if we're looking over here, guys, I'll go this in a later video. I'll cover it on the Ethereum video, so watch it later. There are people shorting over here off the third touch of a descending trend line, okay? It's a descending resistance is what we see. If this thing keeps moving up here, because most likely stop losses, people who got up here in the short trades, they saw this move up here and then move back down, so stop losses on short trades are most likely very close to about 210, okay? Let me move this up so you guys see that. It's about 210 right here, okay? Structure high. If the price moves up here, it's going to trap all these short traders right here, and it could force them to switch from short trades to long trades, and this market could spike up here to 250. Like seriously, guys, by next Wednesday, we could see a 250 price if it's a short squeeze that happens here, okay? It's very important you guys understand that, and you watch this mark here of 210. Any move above 210 is going to start to squeeze short traders because I know they're putting stop losses at structure high here. That's how you technically trade shorts here. It's how you cut your losses short, and then you switch to actually take advantage of the bull run. I'm seeing this happen over here with the metrics, and the last time we ended up seeing this, guys, and the market started going up here, and people were like, we're going to the moon. We saw short trades come out here and the market ended up dropping back down. Okay, I'm just making you guys aware of this. We saw this price up here, hit all-time highs up here for Matic. Short trades came out here very strongly, and that, although overextended itself, pushed us into the bear market cycle. So just because we're going up, guys, nothing's going to just keep going up forever, so be aware of this. Watch me in the Telegram channel. If we get back up here in the profit, I will be taking profit because I am in this trade with you guys, okay? Just giving you guys all the analysis here. Support and resistance prices. I do think this resistance here of literally 210, what we talked about, is the next resistance. As far as a move back down, I'm looking at this very strong support here. It's right around 168, 175, right around this area. Let me move this away here just for 1 second so we can see this. It's right around this zone right here. That's where I'm looking at as far as a pullback. Now, the nice thing that we do have in our favor is this descending support line now. Okay, it was a descending resistance. Now it's a descending support. This has been what's called a classic break and retest, and this is sometimes, honestly, a bullish pattern, a break and retest. So we're kind of teeter-tottering right now, guys, because look, money flow is moving out of the market. So I do think this is showing a lack of confidence of people thinking that it's going to keep heading up. Well, institutional smart money coming out with short trades does put pressure on this moving back down. Let's continue here. Dollar cost to average entries, if you guys put money into the market, you guys are doing great. We're waiting for us to go back up. These are for those of you guys who want to hold for literally like 5 to 10 years, and you're like, look, I'm going to hold for the long term. I don't care what happens in the short term. That's what you guys are holding for. Okay, exit points. Look at this. All right. This is another sign that I'm looking at where I do think this market is getting overextended. So if you guys have entered into trades here where you guys got in, at lower prices and you're holding right now, this may be a time where you want to look to take some profits, okay? If you guys got in at lower prices. I'm just pointing that out for you guys, okay? So here's how you guys get into our trade setup. I do want to keep this private for our members because they're paying for this, but here's what you guys are going to do. If you scroll straight down, you are going to see the trade setup today for Matic. Let me show you guys how to get into this trade, and I'll show this to you on Bitcoin because this will be an example chart that we use. Okay, Bitcoin, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you'll actually be able to see the updated buy limits for Bitcoin today if you guys want. So here they are. So this is kind of even more data for you guys if you want. Here's what you're going to do on Matic and all these coins. Choose whatever amount you want to enter each of our coins with. I'm diversified. We're doing great. We're very close to hitting our 150 for 150,000 break even. 150,000 in our account is break even for us. Okay, doing very well. The reason why our account is doing so much better than a lot of other accounts is because we use such good risk management. Most accounts are still down between 30 to 40%. I know this because we talk to traders. Okay, choose the amount that you guys want to enter in with. any of our coins. Okay, let's say it's $1,000. Split the amount you want to enter in with, $1,000, into 4 equal portions, and just put this 4 equal portions at each of the yellow buy limits. I'm not a financial advisor, guys. I want to make that clear, but this is what we are doing to trade, and we have never lost a trade, and our account is super, super healthy right now. Okay, one of the healthiest ways you guys will have the healthiest accounts in a bear market, guaranteed. Like, you cannot not have the healthiest account when you're using this good of risk management. Okay, so as this starts moving down here, you guys are going to start hitting buy limits. Now, as your buy limits get hit, your first one gets hit, make sure you guys are setting up the sell limit up here, which for Bitcoin, it's at 49,000. All right, this is going to be on all of our coins. Once you guys set that up, join me in the Telegram channel where I'm going to be calling exits with our indicators. Okay, set your Telegram channel up on your phone or your computer first, and then click this link once you guys have a membership, and that will give you guys direct access into the Telegram channel where I'm calling exits and where we've gone 104 for 104 wins. Watch for the next exit on Mana, because I'm probably going to call that today or tomorrow. Guys, watch for the next exit I'm going to call on Matic. Watch for the exit I'm going to call on AVAX. I told you guys there's like 3 trades here, guys, that are just going to start winning here. And we're going to set up trades again. And if you want to follow me, those trades, when I exit those trades, guys, by the way, this is something new that I'm doing, because a lot of people came out and they're like, okay, Travis, look, I get it. Your program is sweet. I want to get in. I want to trade with you. Clearly, you've proven that you guys can win trades. So what people have asked me is, they said, Travis, can you post in the Telegram channel when a trade has officially ended so we can go set up buy limits on the metrics to join you? Yes. This is a new thing that I'm going to be implementing, and I want you guys to watch this. So here's what I'm going to do. A lot of people have requested this, so we're going to officially put this into place. Once I exit this Mana trade, I'm going to come out with a Telegram update to say, hey guys, we have officially exited our Mana trade, and I am setting up new buy limits. If you guys see that, you will know exactly that I'm going to come over. Literally, I know we're talking about Matic, and I'm bringing this all together, guys. I'm talking about Mana here. When I exit that Mana trade, I will come out with a Telegram update, and all you guys do, scroll down here, go down here to Decentraland, which is Mana, and scroll straight down here to the bottom of the metric here, and you guys will see this trade setup right there. I want to keep it private, but you guys will see the trade setup. I'm going to enter into that exact trade setup, guys. I'm going to do that for Matic as well when we get up here and we take profits. I'm going to do that for AVAX, and I will now tell you guys when I'm entering into all the trades in Telegram. Like, guys, if you want to copy me and just start making these profits with us, follow the Telegram channel and get access into the membership. So guys, I just want to say that because a lot of you requested that, and I think a lot of you will like it, because sometimes when you get on these memberships, you're like, okay, I just want to copy the pro. Okay, I'm not trying to be arrogant or anything like that. Like, you guys are like, I want to copy the pro. You guys are not losing trades. How do I take the exact trades as you do? Now you guys can do that by just watching the Telegram channel. Okay, guys? And on top of this, when the updates come out where I say I'm entering into a trade, that's with the buy limit. Most likely, we're not going to hit that buy limit for maybe 3, 4, maybe 8 hours, sometimes 24 to 48 hours. So you'll have plenty of time to get into that trade with me. So it's not like you have to watch it immediately in Telegram, okay? Guys, the best thing going into 2022, I do believe, is to start trading with us. I love you guys. This is awesome. I really believe we have a program over here that's going to give you guys a lot. Access to all of the metrics for every single one of our coins, access to the Telegram channel, access to the inner circle where we're going to be going live on Zoom all together here in March 10th. And then you guys are getting access to all the master classes. We are going to be upping this price to $95 a month, guys. So please secure your spot, because we cannot go back and honor 49. Literally, we're going to hard code into our website the update to 95. So nobody can go back to 49. But all members who get in now before February 25th are hard-coded in as well. So your guys' membership, when it renews every month, it cannot go up to $95. Literally, if you want to stay here forever at $49 and save almost 50% on your membership every single month, just hold your membership and you guys will get access to everything we have. It's like the craziest deal ever. So if you guys want that, just get in right now so you guys can join us, because we are going to start winning new trades here and getting into new ones. And if you guys want to take advantage of all the profits we're making, now is the best time to do this. God bless you guys. Have an amazing, amazing day. I'll keep you updated on the charts here, but watch this. There is some bearishness entering into the market. So watch me in Telegram to call an exit here for the other coins as well. And I'll come out with an Ethereum video later so you guys can see that. God bless you guys. Everything you need is in the description. And I'm so sorry, guys. I'm like wrapping this video up. Can I give me 5 seconds? The bundle pack for all of our indicators is in the description. It's 82% off today. Make sure you guys get this. This is a sale we've had going on. Best deal you guys can get. You'll get all 3 of our indicators. You can get them individually. That's awesome. They're about 40% off, but the bundle pack right now is literally 82% off. So save yourself an extra 42%. Just get the bundle pack today, guys. Get all of our indicators. There's 9 total. It's not monthly fee. It's a one-time purchase. You get them for life. Best deal you guys can get on indicators. And that's how we've called exits and gone 104 for 104 wins. So make sure you guys snag that. All right, guys, we'll see you later. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.